We've all been there. You pull out your trusty Tupperware, ready to pack a lunch or store leftovers, and there it is, the dreaded orange stain. Leftover evidence of last week's delicious curry or spaghetti bolognese, stubbornly clinging to the plastic. It's unsightly, it's frustrating, and it feels impossible to remove. But don't despair. This common kitchen nuisance is easily conquerable. Before we delve into the solution, let's understand the enemy. Why does plastic seem to hold on to these oily stains more than other materials? Unlike glass or steel, plastic has a porous surface. Imagine it as a microscopic landscape of tiny cracks and crevices. When oily foods come into contact with this surface, the oil molecules, hydrophobic by nature, seek refuge in these tiny spaces. They cling tightly, refusing to be dislodged by ordinary washing. This is why your glass containers might come out sparkling after a quick wash, while your Tupperware remains stubbornly stained. Thankfully, a simple yet effective solution has taken the internet by storm. A viral TikTok hack has emerged, promising to banish those stubborn orange stains with minimal effort. The best part? You likely already have everything you need in your kitchen. The magic formula? Water, dish soap, and a simple paper towel. Yes, you read that right. No harsh chemicals, no endless scrubbing, just a clever combination of everyday items and a little bit of elbow grease. But how does it work? The secret lies in the science of surfactants, a key ingredient in dish soap. Surfactants are molecules with a unique ability to interact with both water and oil. They act as a bridge, breaking down the oil into tiny droplets called micelles. When you shake the container with water, soap, and a paper towel, you create a dynamic environment that enhances the surfactant's power. The shaking motion increases the contact between the soap solution and the oily residue, allowing the surfactants to work their magic more effectively. The paper towel acts as an abrasive, further helping to dislodge the stubborn stain molecules. Step-by-step guide. Banish orange stains with ease. Tupperware containers are incredibly useful for storing leftovers, but they often end up with stubborn orange stains from foods like tomato sauce or curry. These stains can be frustrating to remove, but don't worry, we've got a simple and effective solution for you. Ready to see this hack in action? Let's dive right in and transform your stained Tupperware back to its original, pristine condition. Here's a step-by-step guide to banish those orange stains. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need warm water, dish soap, and a piece of paper towel. These common household items work wonders together. Fill your stained Tupperware container with warm water. The warm water helps to loosen the stain and makes it easier for the soap to do its job. Add a squirt of dish soap, a teaspoon or two will do. Dish soap is designed to cut through grease and grime, making it perfect for tackling those tough stains. Then, tear a small piece of paper towel and drop it into the container. The paper towel acts as a gentle scrubber, helping to lift the stain from the plastic. Next, seal and shake. Close the container securely with its lid. Make sure it's tightly sealed to prevent any leaks during the shaking process. Now here comes the fun part. Shake the container vigorously for 30 to 60 seconds. This action helps the soap and paper towel to scrub away the stain effectively. You should start to see the water turning cloudy as the soap and paper towel work their magic on the stain. The cloudiness indicates that the stain is being lifted from the plastic. Finally, rinse and admire. After shaking, open the container and discard the paper towel. You'll notice that the paper towel has absorbed some of the stain. Rinse the container thoroughly with warm water. Make sure to remove all the soap residue to avoid any soapy taste in your food later. You should now be greeted by a sparkling, clean Tupperware, free from the stubborn orange stain. This simple hack is not only effective but also quick and easy, making it perfect for busy households. Enjoy your like-new Tupperware and keep this trick in mind for future cleanups. Prevention is key. Smart tips to keep your Tupperware sparkling. Keeping your Tupperware in pristine condition not only makes your kitchen look more organized, but also ensures that your food stays fresh and uncontaminated. Let's dive into some effective strategies to maintain that sparkle. While this hack is a lifesaver for tackling existing stains, prevention is always better than cure. Stains can be stubborn and unsightly, but with a few proactive measures, you can avoid them altogether. Here are a few handy tips to minimize staining and keep your Tupperware looking its best. These tips are simple yet effective, and they can make a significant difference in the longevity and appearance of your containers. Clean promptly. Don't let those oily residues settle in. The The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to remove the stains. Make it a habit to rinse your Tupperware immediately after use. Wash your Tupperware as soon as possible after use, preventing the oil from deeply penetrating the plastic. Use warm, soapy water and a soft sponge or brush to gently scrub away any food particles and oil residues. Avoid the microwaving oily foods in plastic containers can exacerbate staining. The intense heat can cause the oils to seep deeper into the plastic, making it much more challenging to clean. The heat can cause the oil to penetrate deeper into the plastic, making it even harder to remove. Instead, transfer your food to a microwave-safe dish before heating. Baking soda soak for extra stubborn stains. Try a pre-soak with baking soda. Baking soda is a natural cleaner that can help lift stains without damaging the plastic. The gentle, abrasive action of baking soda can help loosen the stain before washing. Simply sprinkle some baking soda into the container, add water, and let it sit for a few hours or overnight. Then, scrub and rinse thoroughly. Another natural remedy is using lemon. The acidity in lemon can help break down stains and leave your Tupperware smelling fresh. Squeeze some lemon juice into the container, let it sit for a while, and then wash as usual. Vinegar is also a great option. Its acidic nature can help dissolve tough stains. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water, let it soak, and then scrub away the stains. Lastly, store your Tupperware with the lids off. This allows air to circulate and prevents any lingering odors from being trapped inside. An organized Tupperware drawer not only looks good, but also makes it easier to find the right container when you need it. By following these smart tips, you can keep your Tupperware sparkling clean and ready for use. A little effort goes a long way in maintaining the quality and appearance of your containers. Happy organizing! Beyond orange stains, conquering other food foes. This versatile method isn't limited to just orange stains. In fact, it can be your go-to solution for a variety of food-related discolorations that plague your Tupperware. From the stubborn red tinge of tomato sauce to the vibrant yellow of turmeric, these stains can be a real headache. But don't worry, there's a simple and effective way to tackle them all. Whether it's the red tinge of tomato sauce, which often seems impossible to remove, or the yellow stain of turmeric, which can make your containers look perpetually dirty, the combination of soap, water, a paper towel, and a good shake can work wonders. This method is not only effective, but also incredibly easy to do. Remember, the key is to address the stain quickly. The sooner you tackle it, the easier it will be to remove. The longer it sits, the more time it has to penetrate the plastic surface and become more challenging to remove. Old stains can be particularly stubborn and may require more effort. So, next time you're faced with a stubborn food stain in your Tupperware, don't get frustrated. Instead, take a deep breath and remember this simple method. Don't reach for the bleach just yet. While bleach can be effective, it's not always the best option for your Tupperware. It can be harsh and may even damage the plastic over time. Instead, grab your dish soap and get shaking. This method is not only safer for your containers, but also for you and your family. Plus, it's a great way to keep your Tupperware looking clean and new. With a little effort and the right technique, you can conquer any food stain and keep your Tupperware in top condition. So go ahead and give it a try. Your Tupperware will thank you. Embrace the shake, a simple solution for a common problem. The beauty of this TikTok hack lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It utilizes readily available household items and transforms a tedious chore into a quick and oddly satisfying task. The shaking action, beyond its scientific benefits, can be a fun and therapeutic way to release some pent-up energy while achieving sparkling clean results. So, embrace the shake. Let the combination of science and a bit of elbow grease banish those stubborn stains, leaving your Tupperware clean, odor-free, and ready for its next culinary adventure. Conclusion: enjoy spotless Tupperware and stress-free cleaning. No more dreading the sight of your stained Tupperware. With this simple and effective hack, you can conquer those stubborn orange stains and keep your food storage containers looking their best. Remember, the key is to act fast, utilize the power of surfactants, and embrace the shake. Here's to a future of spotless Tupperware, stress-free cleaning, and the joy of opening your cupboard to a collection of sparkling